Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable picture in picture mode on YouTube on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open Safari app, and from here you have to search for YouTube PiP shortcut. Here you can see guys, just simply search for this, and then you have to tap on first link, and after that you have to tap on get shortcut, and after that you have to wait for a while. So after that you have to tap on add shortcut, then tap on my shortcut, and you can see here your shortcut has been created. Just simply close this one, and after that you have to open App Store and you have to download this type of app. Its name is Scriptable. uh, Here you can see guys, this type of app it is, so you have to open it, and after that what you need to do is just simply allow the permissions. If you don't allow, so you have to allow permissions, and after that what you need to do is just simply open YouTube, and you can select your favorite video from here. So I'm going to open this one, and from here what you need to do is just simply tap on share, then scroll it right side and you have to tap on more, and then scroll it down and you have to tap on YouTube PIP. Now you have to allow always or allow once. Now I'm going to tap on allow always, so you have to wait for a while. You can see here guys, here is your video is playing right now. Now what you need to do is just simply close this one, and now you can play games or do another things on your iPhone and iPad, and your video still will playing. Here you can see guys, your video is playing here. Now you can edit your video in order of size. You can see guys, you can see guys, here is your video. Here you can see guys, here is your video. Now you can generate. Here you can see guys, your video is playing here. So that's it guys for today's video. If that was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.